On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to forward the emails, okay, to a single email. We're going to go to apps and we're going to go to professional emails. This is the app that we're going to use to create, erase, or forward the emails to a single email. Then we're going to go to view email list. Okay. Then I'm going to select the domain that I want to make the forward. So I have 3 emails. I'm going to forward the emails that I receive here to this email. The emails that I receive here, I'm going to forward them to this email as well. So I'm just going to copy this, copy it. Then we're going to go to the other emails that I want to forward the emails to here. So we're going to go to configurations. And here I have an option, which is local copy. Leave a local copy. It will make a copy of the email and leave it here. Okay, but if I uncheck it, it will not leave a copy and instead will be erased and will be forwarded to another email. So I'm just gonna click on create and I'm gonna select here and put my main email. It can either be a professional email, or it can be a Gmail. You can put any email you wish to receive this email. Okay, so I'm just gonna use for an example this. You can also add another email, like you want to receive it here and you want to receive it on a Gmail. So you can create an additional email and put here a Gmail. So you can use the forward to 2 emails. Okay. Alias is the name you want to use, but let's go back to email list. Let's go to the domain that I'm using for this example. And I already forward the emails that I'm going to receive here. It will be forwarded to here. And the emails will, this email will always be empty because the local copy was unchecked. Okay, so it will not leave any local copy. So the amount of megas will always be 0. This email will always be empty. So we're gonna go to the other email as well because I want to use the forward to the other email, and just gonna leave a local copy. And just click on create, and I'm gonna type the same email and just click on save. Perfect. So I just forward the emails from here to this email. Then we're gonna go back to email list. Here is the emails that I have. Okay, so I'm forwarding the emails that I received to here. It will not leave a local copy, and this it will leave a local copy and also will send the emails to here. I can use a Gmail, I can use another domain to receive the emails that I receive here, okay? But I'm just getting them like on my email, okay? I'm getting them forward. If I'm going to answer to from the Gmail, they will be receiving the email from my Gmail. You have to get into the webmail to answer to that email because you are only forward the email. If you respond to the client's email, you will be answering, like if I receive an email here, it will be forward here. But if I get into my inbox from this email and I answer or reply to that email from my client, they will be reply from here. Okay? Just keep in mind that you will be replying from this email. So that will be it.